Melted siding on your home, Staten Island, New York. Let's talk about it. So guys, we're here in Staten Island, New York. We're here on a siding repair. We're not doing all sides, but we wanted to show you what vinyl siding. This is a lesser, what we call a builder's grade. So there's builder's grade, there's homeowner's grade, and there's a premium grade in vinyl siding. Obviously, this looks like more of a builder's grade, very thin, probably 0.40. So you're wondering, why is this siding melted? So this siding is melted because of one different factor. The client started to say, Junior, this happens roughly around 7 to 8 years ago. We started to just see a little wave, a little bit wave on the top, a little bit more wave. As the years went on, it got worse. The beginning of this year, they called us out and we saw their condition and we said, you really need to change everything because you don't know if water filtration is coming in. So in a situation like this, you don't know. So we're going to be tearing off this siding and then we're going to actually look behind it because it's been around 7, 8 years that they've had this situation. Now, was it like this for 7.5 years? No. It's been progressive, little by little, but it's gotten so bad. If you can come up here, you can see how bad the waves are. So we're going to show you on the other side how it looks as well. The left side of the house is the right side of the house. So this side is wavy as well. And even though they have a little overhang soffit, it still got to this section as well, the lower section. So on this portion, it looks just fine. If you look up there, it looks just fine. But it seems like it goes up in an angle this way. And if you can look here at this little tower, it goes up in an angle. So you're wondering why. You're wondering why. How did this happen? I'm going to tell you how it happened. There's a couple reasons why would this happen. One of the main reasons why your siding gets wavy like this, number one reason in all 50 states is a barbecue. You put the barbecue right towards the house, you start to grill, you open the grill, you close the grill, you leave the burgers cooking, you go back and you come back and all of a sudden your siding is all melted. So it's always recommended when you're barbecuing, put your barbecue away from your vinyl siding. Why? This is one of the effects that will happen, right? But in this case, the culprit is good windows. So if you turn around, the windows there are brand new. So the good thing about nowadays that the windows that people are getting installed, whether it's vinyl or Anderson windows, most of these windows are low E argon gas. So the reflection from the sun hits the glass and then it, as you can see, it goes up in this pattern and it's been damaging the siding. Now, one of the ways that you can probably do it is put something over their glass so that it won't reflect. But the next door homeowners don't want to do that, right? So you have to change your siding. So in changing your siding, they spoke to the manufacturer a couple of years back. They changed a couple pieces. They say it's not their fault. It's definitely the glass, of their neighbors that's creating this damage. So now they decided to go with something that's dimensionally stable, like James Hardie siding. So we're going to be installing James Hardie siding to this whole side of this home, right? So now when the sun reflects against the glass and it hits the siding, it's never going to be wavy. So there you have it, guys. Home, and you have this, your vinyl siding is melting. Your best option is always going to be a fiber cement siding because it's dimensionally stable. It's not going to move to the right or left. And it's never going to melt, right? So there you have it, guys. Oh, I have the homeowner. Let's speak to the homeowner for a second before we. So we wanted to explain to people, how long has this been going on, Max?
Hi, how are you? It's been going on for the past at least 8 years.
Okay, so
Slowly. Yeah.
Slowly but surely it's been going on.
Yes.
So now the sun is going to rise.
Yes.
And then once the sun rises,
it hits these two or three windows on the left over here.
And then it starts going up this way.
Yeah, the sun starts going up this way, and there's a little X type of target that
Right.
moves up.
That moves up.
Yeah.
So it's been a little crazy. So I'm expecting you may have water issues. That's why we want to remove the insulation. We
Right.
want to make sure everything. But have you seen any water?
Inside?
Yeah.
No.
No water
water
inside. So,
thank you.
so there you have it. You heard it from the homeowner. This is going to be his solution. James Hardie siding. And so he's never going to be going back to vinyl siding.
Never gonna be going back. Yeah.
Keep watching.